Well, first of all, houses that seem like they're going to be oh, what a steal, what a great deal, or something like that. There are many houses that are really in bad shape. They've had serious flood damage. They were a meth house. They were cooking meth that have to be mitigated. They have asbestos. There's mold. There are all kinds of those houses which are extremely damaged and can really seriously deteriorate the value of a house. I'm not going to talk about those. We're only talking about houses that have foundation issues. And as a new home buyer or a buyer who's just in that budget range and you have to look at damaged houses, I would say this to you. You don't know if it is a badly damaged house or not, do you? Because you've never bought a house before, or you've never bought a damaged house before. So what I will say is, you cannot go this alone. But do not just take that type of house off of your list, because it might truly be a great deal that you can really take advantage of. So here are some pro tips. First, if you're dealing with a damaged house like this, you want to do the one thing. You have to have an expert on your side. If you're looking at a house that's damaged and has issues, you have to have an expert on your side, particularly for first-time home buyers, because you are not savvy as to how to deal with these. So your first stop is your realtor. The realtor who's representing you, finding you houses, may say to you, well, we're not going to look at any damaged houses. No foundation related repair houses are we going to look at. And your answer to them should be, please do not take those off our list. We will make sure that we have experts to give us an expert opinion so that we know what to offer and then we know what the repair is. Period. If your realtor is nervous and does not want to show you these types of houses, one, they need to represent you. And if you tell them you want to look at these types of houses, then they must do that. But the reason they'll usually say don't look at these types of houses is because, what? They're afraid to. So you have to get past that to get accurate information, to get those listings. If that realtor will not do that for you, then you should change realtors to an experienced realtor who has dealt with houses that do have foundation issues. As a matter of fact, that would be my first question to your realtor before you start looking at houses. Have you ever dealt with a damaged foundation in houses? And if they say, oh yeah, we've done plenty. We've sold plenty of houses, bought plenty of houses that have foundation damage. Good. That's what you want, because they are confident, and that's what you need. That's what you don't have. You don't have confidence. So do that first. Make sure that you've got the right realtor. Okay, another tip. Now that you have the right realtor, make sure that you tell them you want to know all the details about the problem. A foundation repair contractor, if it does have a foundation issue, and I've done plenty of posts on, would there be a foundation issue and what to look for, and I'm assuming now that you've identified a house that you like, but it has foundation issues, or you're a seller and you know your house has foundation issues, same thing, you need an expert. So if your realtor isn't going to be the expert, then what do you do next? Well, most contractors are going to want the house to be under contract. If you are not the owner, they're going to want you to be under contract with the contingency of being able to do inspections. And your home inspection may have already been done, and they're not going to give you all the details about a foundation issue. So let's just say they're going to say, see a foundation person, see an engineer. So you have two choices at this point. First choice is, do you have multiple foundation repair contractors come and give you their opinions and possible costs to rectify the issue? That is an expert. Yes, do that. They're paid when the work gets done, but they will usually provide free inspections. So have them do that. not a home inspector. They do not qualify as an expert for foundation issues. Get a foundation repair contractor, 2 or 3 of them, and have them give you their opinion. Now you have an expert on your side, and you will get vastly different opinions. So that's not the full answer, but that is step 1. When you're under contract within the next few days, ask for a foundation repair contractor to come out and look at the house. With you be there. Don't just have your realtor send them out. You be there. Why? Because you're going to learn. And the only way for you to be smart about buying these diamonds in the rough is to be smart and be educated. So make sure you have a foundation repair contractor. That's one expert.